Every time I make a post, I get comments like this. Now, I've got a solution for you. Lumina Neo. Now, this video is sponsored by Lumina Neo. Now, Lumina Neo reached out to me to make a video of how their tools work. And I've been using this software for some recent photos I've been taking, and trust me, the result is mind-blowing. In this video, I'll be showing 7 amazing tips to make your image pop and look elegant using some simple automation tools with few clicks and few sliders. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you one of my favorite tools using the software. So now, let's get into it. If this is your first time here, my name is Fred. I'm a photographer, a retoucher, and a content creator. So do well to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as I'll be dropping videos back to back. So here's our software, and you click this button here to add your photos. Right here, I have this sample photos I'll be using for these videos. And also in my top right corner, you can see the complete details of the camera and the settings and everything that has to do with the shoots right here. And this is quite nice. So now we'll head down to edits. And now the first tool I'll be showing you today is called the Relight AI tool. So right here, you simply brighten and darken the subject and also brighten and darken the background by just moving these sliders. So this background here is simply for the subject, while this background file is simply for the background. Wow, this is just wow. You could also do the opposite and bring our subject darker and also bring our background brighter. And also you can also try out this masking tool. You can actually paint the areas you want to be dark or the areas you want to be bright. So I'm just going to leave my settings like this, and you can see our before and after by just toggling on this is preview here. You can see our preview. So now that takes me to our next tool, and that takes us down to this face AI tool. You can actually brighten the light on the face or just slim down the face. You can see our before and after. If you like to make some adjustments to the eyes, you could actually click on the eye panel here, and you're going to see different eye styles and colors right here. Let's click on brown. Let's see. Oh wow, this is just effortlessly. And let's try some blue. Wow, this is so good. I think I'm liking this one. We can actually enlarge the eyes. So looking at our image, we can just brighten our eyes because they look quite yellowish and reddish. Let's see how it looks like here. I'm just going to take it to like 95. Wow, this is good. You can see the before and see the after. I think it's quite too bright, so I'm just going to bring this down a little bit. So now this eye enhance actually brings out the glows in the eye. Right here, we can also see improve eyebrows. So I'm going to improve the eyebrows, and let's see. So basically this improve eyebrows is just to darken and give more details to the eyebrows. I'm pretty sure a lot of makeup artists will love this tool. So that takes us down to the mouth. Now you can actually increase your lip saturation by just few sliders and just like that. And also increase the redness if you wish, and also darken the lip or whiten the teeth. But she's not smiling, there's no teeth, but this is just done with just few sliders, and I totally love what I'm saying. You can see the before and see the after, right? So you could actually play around this portrait and just fix your image with just few sliders. Now I'm going to go to the skin. This shine remover removes areas of the face that is over highlighted, and you could actually change that by just increasing the shine remover, and it's all gone and it looks mild and looks perfect. So now we'll go up back to modes. All right, here there's one interesting thing I like about this. You can actually use your preset you already downloaded or purchased. You can actually add them to your image right here. So let's see how it looks like. What you do is click on custom, and now I have my fair exclusive here, which is one of my lots which are available for purchase. You can actually include yours by just clicking add custom lot file, and it's going to take to wherever your file is on your desktop. And I find this quite amazing as well. So we're going to go back to our catalog and pick another image. So we're going to use this image right here, and we're going to head down to edit. So what we're going to do with this photo is basically to play around with the skies. So this is an outdoor image, and you can actually head down to develop, and it's going to bring down this panel which looks similar to the Lightroom app, where you can actually work on your highlights and your curves and your So I'm just going to bring down my highlights a little bit and just, so there's this tool here, the Sky AI tool. You can actually just click there and you're going to see tons of sky replacements here. This looks really nice and I like the atmosphere it's given this picture. And then let's try out another tool, which is the landscape, and just increase the dehaze just a little bit. And then you can also see our golden hour. You can actually toggle this up and toggle this down. It's going to give you the kind of sunny look. This is so nice. And this foliage is more like the grays, the grass around. It's going to just pop them up without any masking or anything. This is so good. And this golden hour just pops out the sun and makes it look really, really nice. So now we're going to head down to one of my favorites, which is the portrait bokeh. You can actually increase the bokeh on this photo by just dragging the slider up. You can see the before and the after. This is so good. You can see the before and the after by just dragging the slider. I'm bringing a brush in this frame. You're going to see the areas it's selected unknowingly. So you can actually defocus by just clicking this tool here and just paint around this area, and it's just going to defocus this area. This is super easy. And just click back to focus and just click on the areas it didn't select properly. And there you go. AI automatically blurs the background for you. I find this tool pretty amazing. So you could actually take your time to select and deselect the areas you want to be blurred and the one you want to remain focused. The next tool is the sun ray. So right here, the software actually creates an artificial sun rays where you can actually place anywhere in your photo. Now let's place one. So once you click this place sun center, you can increase the amount, and this is going to show on the image. You can also do further adjustment on your sun radius by just increasing the sliders. Let's try to reduce the number of rays and just click randomize. So it's going to give us a kind of natural sunlight, and we're going to drag this up to where you want this light to be coming from. And I totally love this angle right here, and it's giving me this really nice ray. And you can actually click on the one panel here and just increase the warmth of the sun and also the sun rays warmth. And I totally love this effect it's giving on this side. You can also adjust the rays anywhere you wish, and it's going to give you that natural feel. And I totally love it on this hour. This looks pretty nice. So this is the photo from one of my recent night shoots, and right here I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Right here we see a lot of noise. This happens most of the time when you shoot on low light or without any light at all. So we actually did a shoot with my 8600 without using the flashlight, because I just turned on the ambient light on it, and I took my second light behind her so I can get that side lights and the casted shadow at the front. So basically, why I'm using this photo is because of this grain on this image. So right here, there's a tool where we can actually remove these grains, and that brings us down to the denoise tool. Now this denoise tool actually take away those noises on the picture by just dragging down the slide. Yeah, I know there's some details we need back on this image, so we're gonna go up to this details panel here and bring back some more details on the image, just like that, and also drag our sharpening tool. And we're just going to make some few adjustments on the details, and here we go. You can see the before and you can see the after. This looks so nice. Now after making all the adjustments on your image, you can actually go down to this edit here, and you're going to see all the edits you've done on this image. And this software provides us with an easy way to copy the settings from this image and paste on order without overdoing anything. So all we're going to do is go to edit and copy, and we'll go to catalog and just paste on the other images from this shoot. And we're going to click edit, paste. And just like that, we pasted the same settings for all these images. And let's take a look at this. And just wow, it just pastes everything the same way. But I think we need to do some adjustment on the hand, and you easily do that by swiping down to edit and just go to edit here as well, and go down to a portrait bokeh and just fill out this remaining part, and boom, you're done. Let's take a look at the other one. Now this software is an AI powered, It isn't perfect, but it's going to save you a lot of time editing your photos much more faster with just few sliders and few clicks. You're done. All you need to do is select the image you want to export and click on this icon here, export, and it's going to tell you where to export to, and just click on disk. So this window is going to pop up. You're going to select the location you want to save and just click on option. You're going to see the settings here where you can actually save to any format you want. You can actually save to Photoshop file and just continue your edit in Photoshop. One of the major things I like about this software is that it saves me time doing work for my client. I can basically copy and paste whatever I do from one image to the other. Guys, tell me what you think about the software on the comment section. Lumina is a Ukrainian company and they have been donating to the Ukrainian pandemic all this while. So you too can also be a part of these good gestures by just buying the software. So if you find this software helpful, you can actually download and use my code name and get a bonus while signing up for this software.